Welcome back, guys. So let's move to the next option, that is new. So what is the meaning of new is it allows user to create a new file, right? We can create a spreadsheet, any document, presentation, form, drawing, but as we are doing only now with the spreadsheet, so we have a two option here in the Google Sheets. I can create a blank file as I created into the last video, and I can create from the new template. So whenever I click on the from template option, it take me to the next window, and where it give me some bunch of template that pre-written into the Google Sheet. I just need to select that, right? And I can start my work. I do not need to design a sheet for me, right? And I just need to click that option and automatically design come in front of me. So I just need to save that file. Just so this is automatically created into my Google Drive. So I can add on here, for example, 10/9 need to create videos for next advanced tutorials. That's it. So it is very easy for us to create a new sheet from the template. Just we need to select the option, and we are able to create a new file using simple template which are already created into the Google Sheets. So hope you guys understand this video. Keep practicing. Any doubt, just comment into the comment box. We will help you. Kindly please like, share with your friends, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.